Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account with Cramly AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in cramly.ai in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Cramly. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. And now you will be taken to the registration page. In order to sign in, just scroll all the way down and you will find the sign in option. Just click on it and now you will be asked to sign in with your Google account or to enter your email address and your password. So just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the continue button, and this will sign you in to your account with Cramly. In case you forgot your password, simply click on Forgot Password button underneath the password box and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Cramly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.